Hello, I am Nomava Vuke representing the Abatembo Royal House from the Eastern Cape. I am also part of the African Royalties Network, where we go to the rural areas and townships, encouraging young girls to take care of themselves as well as embracing the culture and love who they are. We have a lot of misconceptions that being black is not good enough, is not being smart enough. So we say love who you are and embrace who you are. And to izintombi nto, hlala unjalo uzigcinile, uthande ubuntombi bakho. Wait for the right time. Don't allow anyone to put you under pressure. Your time is coming. And another thing that I want to emphasize on young girls, go to school, study and finish school, and everything else will come to you at the right time.